What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another YouTube video. In this one we are going to make a strategy, um, basically a fake out strategy. So the idea is we are going to, here's just a quick example I found, but basically we're going to take the highs and lows of the last one. Actually, here's two examples. Which are good. Yeah. Let me do this. And all right, so here's the idea. We're going to be tracking the highs of, whatever, last five, whatever number candles, and the lows. Then we're going to check if either of the last two candles is the high or the low, right? So say we're on this candle. We're going to check if either of the last two candles is the high or the low. So in this case, these two are, right, above the range. If we have a bullish candle that closes above the highs of the range with high volume, and then a bearish candle that is larger than the bullish candle but with less value, then we are going to sell here, stop loss, and take it down. So in this case, I don't have the volume indicator pulled up, but if the volume was greater on this green candle, we would have sold here, stop loss here, taken this down. Then here's another example. Right? This one would not have because there's that. This one would not because of that. But then here we come down to here. If this one had more volume than this candle, we would have bought here, stop loss, and taken it up. This one, went for a bit. Actually, no, it didn't. That got whipped out. But that was during a news event just now. So that's the idea of the strategy. So let's get to it. You're gonna want to go to open your Ninjascript editor. If it's your first time, you'll have this control center. You go to new Ninjascript editor. That will open up this thing. Now we're gonna come down to strategies, new strategy, YouTube, fake out. Yeah, we'll just do fake out. So let's generate that and compile. Next thing we're going to do is open it in Visual Studio. I'm going to go to strategies, and here it is. Alright, so first thing, every strategy, if current bar is less than bars required to trade, then we return. Now we want to change this to 1. Now we need the volume and the highs and the lows, which there's actually an indicator already built for the highs and the lows, but I cannot remember it right now. And I do not want to have to code it. So maybe super trend? No, it's not even in here. just min and max. Alright, so yeah, this is what we want, the min and the max. But we wanted, let's see how we can, we want to have the close though. Right? Isn't this just taking the close of the candle? I wanted to include the wicks. Okay, actually, I think we can do, so we'll do, let's add else if state equals state dot data loaded. Then we will load up our indicator. Add chart indicator. Now let's create our indicator. We'll do min. Is that all we need? Min equals min. And then we can do low. And then look back candles. Look back candles. That's our indicator, min. Yes, that works. Now we need script display, like that. Name equals look back candles. Integer, look back candles, get set. Alright. Yeah, we'll compile this just for a sec, just to make sure it's working how we want. Equals 14. So let's go to indicators, remove. Wait, no, you gotta go to strategies now. Fakeout, add 14, apply. Enable, and there we go. And looks like, yes, it is taking the lows now. Oh, that's nice. It even automatically adds a color thing. So yes, now it is taking the wicks. So that's working. Now let's add max. Actually, we'll make highs, because that's what it is. And lows. Then lows. Lows. Control D to just duplicate that. Then we do highs. Max. High. Look back candles. Add chart indicator. Highs. Alright, so now we have our highs and our lows. Now, we need to make sure we need to check if the last two candles were created the new high or the new low. So let's see. So okay, we can do if lows 0 Alright, let's do let's do math low, math min of low. Well, I mean, we don't even have to use this because it's basically just literally just the exact same as this. But we'll just do it just to show you. So we can do lows, right? 0, comma. No. We want this lows. Is that gonna work? That should work. Why does that not work? Why doesn't that work? That should just be like using a regular indicator. It doesn't want to get it. Okay, but either way, like I said before, it doesn't matter. So we'll do, it's going to be low 0 and low 1. So this is just to get the lower, this is just to get the, here, but say here, the lower of these two. So right as this candle, the first tick is printed, we're going to run this and we're going to check which one is lower of these two. Then we're going to check if the low of these two, right? So in this case, it's going to be here. If that is lower than the current, than the low of the last whatever. So basically, if it created a new min value, because if it created a new min value, that means if it was lower than the previous min value, that means it went down. So if this is lower than, why can't I use this? Alright, this is, same thing there. Because see, like here we can do, no, that's not working either. What the heck? I mean, it's in the wrong spot. Private, and then here, where is it? Where does it go? Oh, SMA. Yeah, so we're doing it right. Huh? Oh, I'm stupid. Should be there. Alright, there we go. So, let's think about this. Low 0. Alright, so here's a good example. Alright, so far we checked this candle right now, as right when this opened, we checked the last two and got the low. So we're going to check if that is, so yeah, now the min 0 is equal to that, so we can just do is equal to, and that should mean that basically we created new lows, because if the low 0 is not, right here the low 0, this candle, low 0 does not equal the low of these two, does not, right here, the last two candles, the low of the last two does equal low 0. So I believe that should work. Alright, I had to go for a sec, so I kind of lost track of where we were, but this should be true whenever we're creating a new low. So here is what, first, yeah, let's just check. We'll do draw horizontal line, this line, double Y, wait, no, we want vertical line. This line times 0, brushes dot red. Compile that. Now, alright, yeah. This one was made a new low. So yeah, looks like it's working. So then we're going to do the opposite for, well, not the opposite, but I mean, yeah, the inversion for the highs. So yeah, looks like Visual Studio did it for us. Okay, so now we have whenever a new high or low is formed. Next thing we want to do is we want to check we still need to check the volumes and the size. You know what, for now let's just do the volume. Yeah, so if volume of the most recent bar is less than volume of the second most recent bar, then we want to enter long. And then same thing here, except we are enter short. Now let's also just add set stop loss ticks. We'll just do 25 and set profit target ticks 50, just to make sure that it's working. Alright, so yeah, kind of looks like it's working, right? This was the new high, which is created here. This one had higher volume than this one, and we sold. Oh, we do need to check that the second candle is a red candle, right? We don't want to, but I mean, actually, yeah, this looks pretty clean. Here worked, that one was a loss. This one, like, this is the main one I'm, trying to get, like, came to these lows, then we went back up. So let's also add the candles. So for entering long, then it needs to be one candle back needs to be red, so the close is less than the open, right? Opens, closes, and then we need the open to be less than the close. And close 0 is greater than open 0. So that's what we'll do for buys. And again, the inverse for sells. Let's compile that and see what that changes. Alright, so yeah, here we go. This is, one that I like. I like this one. Profit, dang. I mean, these are 2-to-1s too. So 1, 2, 3, 4 wins, 1 loss. Lost money, but because of commission, to be honest, it looks like. But this is your optimization. So let's see what else we can do. Let's add the stop loss as the high of or the peak of the 2 candles. So I'm going to change this to price, and then we'll do basically just copy this, and then same thing for here, and we'll just copy that. Now let's see, what would be a good TP? We could just do ticks. These are like, this is like a perfect example. Now I'm thinking maybe we just do, because it's a price to volume divergence. Oh yeah, why isn't it loading the volume indicator? Oh, didn't put it. Here, I'll just load it real quick. But if we get a small candle with high volume and then a larger candle with lower volume, that increases the chance of it going in that direction a lot. So here, right, high volume, small candle, larger candle, lower volume, and then we went a little bit more. Yeah, it's definitely trading a lot though. Alright, well yeah, that might be it for this video. And then the next one we can, yeah, let me know what you guys think could be a good TP. Because like, I mean this, might have got wicked out here. But like this one has a good swing or good move. And then we can also try adding that the second candle has to engulf the first candle. But I mean, a lot of these are pretty good winners. What if you did like 200, 200? Yeah, look at those. Still losing money, but yeah, well, let me know what you guys think. And yeah, I'll probably just, TP will just be based off what someone comments, and I think that'll be the, because there's a lot of different ways you could do the TP, and especially if it's on a higher time frame. Like profit target. Like I don't really want to use a TP type stop loss if it's on a larger time frame. But maybe just a trail stop loss, maybe. But yeah, that's it for this video. Like, subscribe, comment what you think the TP should be, and we'll go ahead and code that in the next video. And we'll do that. Maybe add a couple other things if someone can think of something they think that would help out the strategy. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.